Traffic generation strategies, category number 6, third-party blog traffic. Guest posts. Do a search for blogs that focus on your niche. Go through their content to see if they publish guest posts. Make sure you reach out only to niche-targeted blogs that publish guest posts. Pro. You get very targeted direct traffic. People are not going to waste their time clicking on your link if they are not interested in what you had to say on your guest post. This increases the likelihood that people who click through your guest post link are actually in your target audience. You also get the benefit from the existing credibility of the third-party blog. If that blog actually already gets quite a bit of traffic, this can translate to a nice flow of direct traffic from your contributed post. Con. The more credible or authoritative the third-party blog, the harder it is to get published there. You have to do blogger outreach correctly. You also have to invest quite a bit of time and effort producing the right content that they would want to publish. Comments. In most blog posts, people can comment. If people like your comment, they can click on the link contained in your post. Bloggers are very protective of their comment section and content. You have to post real comments. These must enrich the discussion the community is having regarding the blog post you're commenting on. Otherwise, people are going to think your comment is spam. Pro, if done right, blog commenting will not only produce direct traffic to your site, but it can also make you credible in your niche. People can sit up and pay attention to your authority because you've demonstrated your knowledge and expertise in the quality of your comments. This can open a lot of doors. People may want you to contribute a blog post or interview. Con. People can be very touchy on blog comments. Don't be surprised if your comment gets taken down or your account gets blocked. Furthermore, if you abuse your blog comment privileges, don't be surprised if other influential bloggers in your niche start to boycott your site.